Welcome to today's review on AI Cooking Assistant by upliance. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this cooking assistant at the best price in the market. This device brings together smart technology and everyday cooking by offering guided recipes, automated steps and precise measurements so you can prepare meals with confidence and less stress in your kitchen routine. With more than 750 recipes available, you get a wide mix of local favorites and global dishes that are updated regularly, keeping your cooking experience fresh, interesting and enjoyable every day. The built-in weighing scale helps you add exact ingredient amounts without needing separate tools, which improves accuracy, reduces waste and makes following instructions much easier for beginners and busy users alike. Multiple cooking modes like chopping, stirring, sautéing and steaming allow the machine to handle repetitive tasks automatically, giving you more time to focus on flavor adjustments, plating and enjoying the process. The app and Wi-Fi connectivity let you monitor progress, control settings and explore new recipes directly from your phone, which adds convenience and flexibility to your daily cooking routine. Setup is straightforward and the interface feels intuitive, so you can quickly get started even without much prior experience using smart kitchen appliances or advanced gadgets. On the plus side, this assistant saves significant time by combining preparation and cooking into one streamlined process while also reducing the need for constant supervision during meals. It also encourages experimentation because the guided system supports you step by step, helping you try new cuisines without feeling overwhelmed or unsure about techniques. However, there are a few downsides to consider, including the relatively high price point and the need for a transformer in regions with different voltage standards, which adds extra cost and setup effort. Some users may also find that the machine takes up noticeable counter space and requires regular cleaning even with its helpful auto-cleaning function. Despite these limitations, the overall performance remains reliable and consistent, delivering well-cooked meals with minimal manual work, which is a major advantage for busy households. Build quality feels solid and the design is modern, allowing it to fit nicely into most kitchen setups while maintaining a clean and professional look. Using this assistant regularly can help improve your cooking habits by encouraging better portion control, consistent timing and a more organized workflow in the kitchen. It is especially useful for people who want convenience without sacrificing the quality of homemade meals, making it a practical addition to modern lifestyles. The guided instructions are clear and easy to follow, reducing the chances of mistakes and helping you achieve consistent results even when trying something new. Customer feedback shows generally positive experiences, with particular praise for the time-saving features and ease of use, though some mention the learning curve at the beginning. Overall, this product offers a balanced mix of innovation and practicality that can genuinely simplify daily cooking while still leaving room for personal creativity. As you consider your options, remember to check the link in the description for the latest price and available offers before making your final decision. Choosing this assistant could be a smart move for anyone looking to save time, reduce effort, and still enjoy a wide variety of delicious meals at home. Take a moment to explore its features through the provided link and see how it fits into your routine and cooking goals. Make your purchase with confidence and start cooking smarter today.